Hi, in front of me I have HUAWEI Watch Fit new, and I'm gonna show you how to change the screen timeout duration on this device. First we need to wake up the screen, and to do it you can press the side button. Once you wake up the screen, swipe downwards from the top of the screen to open the quick panel, and here tap on the settings icon. In settings, tap on the option called display. Now scroll down, tap on the advanced, and here we have sleep option. Tap on it, and right here we can swipe up and down on the screen to scroll through the list of durations. We have 10 seconds, 15 seconds, 20 seconds, and auto. Select the duration you like. For example, let's select 15 seconds, then tap OK to confirm. Then tap OK, on the check mark to confirm. And now my screen will be turning off automatically after 15 seconds of inactivity. And that's how you change the screen timeout duration on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.